your boy Domo here, and I got this awesome Apple IIe complete with monitor and duo disc from my recent trip. Actually, I got the Apple IIe before. You guys have seen it on the channel. But the recent additions are this duo drive, this monitor, this joystick, and this mouse. I don't know if the monitor works yet. I've just hooked it up to see. So let's see together, my friends. Hey, the little light comes on. Let's see what happens when we turn on the computer. Oh, shiznicks. Look at that. Look at that. All right. And then today on the channel, we're going to do a few other things. I got the Duo to test. We've got 3.5 inch floppy drives to test, or 5.5 inch floppy drives, because I don't have the 3.5 inch floppy controller yet. I'm still working on getting one, but I've got a two 3.5 inch floppy drive, or sorry, 5.5 inch floppy drives, and one uniDrive. I've never seen that before, so I'm curious. I'm gonna have to Google that or ask ChatGPT, and maybe we'll figure it out together. I got a few other things I want to show. I got this laptop. It's a 286. And I don't know if it works yet. I haven't tested it. Oh. But there she is in all her beauty. Yeah. All right. And then we also got this. We also got this 486 we got to test. Yeah. We've got this 200 megahertz Apple Power Mac. Yeah. And last but not least, I believe it's a Pentium 70 megahertz. I got this off the back of some guy's truck at my last club meeting. I haven't tested it yet. Okay, let's switch to my workbench and let's get started. So first of all, I wanted to show you guys this stuff from our trip. Recently, me and my dad and some of the other members of the computer club went to the barn, and that's where I picked up this stuff. And this is a picture of the barn, all these Macs. Yeah, there's a lot of computers in there. We moved all of these into the back of that truck, or U-Haul. But I just wanted to show that and talk about this recent trip. It was a lot of fun. Me and my dad drove for 6 hours across from Oregon into Washington, and went and met up with some friends, and we had a really good time going through these old Macs and moving them around and trying to help clean up this little area. And yeah, okay. Now let's get to testing the computers. Okay, now that we're at the workbench, I've got these floppy drives here I want to test. And I was thinking also, first let's try to get this, I got a adapter that goes from the 25 pin to the 9 pin adapter on the back of this 9 pin adapter for the RS232 serial bus. And I'm supposed to be able to send commands from the Apple II, or from the PC to the Apple II, like, so I can write BASIC on my computer through PuTTY and then run it on my Apple II, so I don't have to worry about this broken keyboard for now. So I asked ChatGPT how to do this. So let's switch over to my monitor and let's look over this together. Okay, to make Ooh, sweet. It gave me the dipsticks I needed switched. Well, I did ask from the 2 banks. Then I need the, I've got the card, got the cable 25 pin to 9 pin, and then I took that to the USB to serial. I can use putty. Good. And that's what I want to set it to. Okay. Aye. So, let's switch back to the camera and let's start unhooking the Apple II, because I don't know if the dipsticks are in the right position. They might be dipsticky. I don't need to unplug any of that. Maybe I should unplug this. The 25 pin connector I have connected to the Super Serial card just in case power is being transmitted through the USB to it. Okay. So, oh, there we go. That's good. We're going to pull up the Super Serial card. Power is unplugged, yes. And then we're going to set dipstick 1 off, dipstick 2 off, dipstick 3 off, dipstick 4 up for 8-bit, 5 up. Oh yeah, I want it up. I want 5 up, 5 up, and then 5 through 7 is 5 through 7. So that's 6. So there's not an 8, but 8 must be on. It's confusing because Super Serial only has 7. Okay, but up, down. So for this, we want the second 6 down. Okay, now let's go to bank 2. Let's just follow along. Okay, so bank 1 off. Damn, excuse my language. These are hard to turn off. Off, off, on. The number 4. Number 4 off. Number 5 on. Number 6 off, and 8, 7 and 8 are off. I don't know where those are, but this should be the proper configuration now. And what slot did it want it to be in again? Because I might need to move the mouse card, because I actually have another question I asked it as well. And it's slot 2. So let's just move these around. That is slot 1. Oh, and slot 2 is right here. It was plugged into slot 2. I had it in the right place. Okay, there we go. Now let's pop the lid back on. Let's plug the Super Serial card back in. Alright. Now let's see. Are we getting a picture on the screen? Oh, we're getting something old. So we need to deactivate and reactivate. No picture. Why is there no picture? Okay. Oh, that's why. I was a little afraid there for a second. So let's come to here. Now let's go back to the PC real quick. Putty. Putty. Serial 6A. Huh. What am I doing wrong? Okay. It might be a little bit different. Okay. 1 off, 2 off, 3 off, 4 on, 5 and 6 off, on off, and then on for 7. Okay, that's not anything different. So this one should be off, off, on. Then number 5 is on. Number 6 is off. Number 7 is off. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Oh, maybe I need to fix something somewhere else. I've never done this before. This is my first time. So I'm curious if I maybe have to go change, I mean, the only other time I've ever messed with serial and stuff like this was with the Xbox 360. So I'm not really very versatile in this yet, but I will be. Okay, calm. Set up the bod. What does it say? 8-bit, none, and 1. It's right. That's exactly what it's supposed to be for the terminal. Okay. Is the Apple II still on? Oh, I unplugged it. Let's plug the... Oh, shit. That was very terrifying. And I hope I didn't just break it, because I'm going in and out of it. Okay, good. It still works. This thing's a tank. I doubt there's a lot I could do to break it. But it probably isn't. Okay. COM6, serial. Off on. So yeah, it should be right. PR hashtag 2. Oh, let me type. Damn, dude, I don't understand. You got a W. I don't know if that was me or something else. All of my things in my serial card are set up. You know what I should try? Just because I know that it has. Maybe I'm just doing something wrong. Excuse my language. Dang it. I don't... What am I doing wrong? Maybe I just got the wrong cable. Maybe this cable isn't compatible. I wonder if there's like a... I can tell it this configuration is not working. Let's see. Set the seed. Set the seed to be okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so off doesn't matter. Off. 4 is on. 5 is on. Or 5 is down. 6 is up. And 7 is up for that baud rate. Okay. Number 2, down, down, up, down. 5 is up, 6 is down, and 7 is down. Okay. Banana sandwiches. That's what I should be saying. Oh, turned on right away. God damn it. I have to turn it off. Banana sandwiches. It's not working. Huh. We're still not... I guess it's just not a good cable. I mean, I can always just try to unplug this side. Maybe it just needs a reset there. Oh shoot, what was that? That sucks. I guess this cable doesn't work. I need to do some more research and buy a different one. That is okay. Let's move on to the next part, and let's start testing these floppy drives. And we could still use the ADT software without the serial because I have a different device. Hi. Let's put this back on. Flip this floppy drive over. Turn the machine off. And let's start testing the drives. Okay. I forgot to... We're going to put ProDOS in there. And right now we're testing the Duo. ProDOS. There we go. ProDOS. Oh, come on. Oh, it's something else causing this error. Oh, just spilled out my little thing SD cards. Alright, there we go. Dang it, I can't fix that for some reason. Huh. 1 second. Mic test. Okay, there we go. That fixed it. Awesome. Okay. Nice. Let's actually not test it with ProDOS, but ADT. Okay. Because we're going to test the drives by the only way I know how. Having them format a disk and then testing that disk. Okay. Uh-oh. I know I have more of those disks. Where'd they go? They're not in there. How could I lose a whole bunch of discs? But okay. I have one I can test with right here. Oh, I don't want to do that yet. Let's do audio. Let it load it off the floppy. Okay. Now let's pull it out. Let's put this floppy in. Oh, that's the right way. Oh, it's a double-sided floppy. They were seeking. Yep. Yes. Okay. Okay. Putting the disk into the second drive. Does it identify? Reseek. Yep, it detected the blank disk over there. It goes seeking. Okay. Pulling the disk out, putting it back in. Yep. Alright. Let's move on. Okay, I'm unplugging this floppy. Alright. Let's see if this one works. This is my 5.5 drive. 5.5. Things are getting caught. There we go. Hi. It sounds okay. But let's okay. Let's put in the ADT. Okay. Popping that disk out. Now I'm popping in the test disk. Let's see if it detects the volume. I mean, I'm probably, the fact that it's reading it like this, I think that's all I need to do. But, so, it detects both disks. So I determine this drive is good. Okay, put this over here for now. So we got, this is the uniDrive, which I'm going to Google. Here, switch back. We're going to Google this one to figure out what the difference between them are later. Oh no. Forgot to turn it off again. I'm really bad at that. One of these days I'm going to kill it. But I think I've already discovered this thing's a freaking tank. It's sat in a warehouse for years. Just sitting in that barn for years. All of this stuff. Okay. Okay. Just do that. I feel comfortable. Okay. Now let's turn it off. And then let's put this one aside because it works. I need to get a 3.5-inch floppy controller in order to test my 3.5-inch floppy drives. But I don't have one yet. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, that sounds horrible. Oh god, I don't even know if I want to put a disc in there. Oh, Jesus. Macaroni salad. That's a really cool disc. I don't want to waste it. Where's that learning word game? Okay, I'm scared. I don't know if you guys can hear this thing. Pushing a disc into it. Turning it off. Turning it back on. Does it read? You know it makes that ugly noise? No. It does not read. Oh, maybe it did. I just needed to wait because I give it some time to boot the disk. Ooh, macaroni salad. I hear that disc thing. Oh my god. Oh, come on. Yep, this disk drive is bad. Glad it didn't destroy my discs. Okay, put this in the bad pile. Well, for today's video, this is all I wanted to do. We'll follow it up with the other machines another day. But actually, let's go. Nah, we'll do that in the next video. Thank you for watching, and it was really fun to do this video. And thank you. Please subscribe, and I'll have more videos for you guys.